Everybody, this is Will again here at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky. Got a very one-of-one 2021 Ford F-250 Shelby Super Baja. It's going to be featured in the black clear coat. Got the 6.7 liter Power Stroke diesel engine underneath the hood. You're also, along with that, you're going to get the aftermarket S&B air intake. We'll do a little walk around, then we'll kind of talk some of the upgrades that come along with it, and possibly even go for a little test drive, see how this thing drives, how it sounds. Kind of give everybody a first impression along with, my first impression. But yeah, starting up here in the front, we got the Shelby specific vented hood with the black or matte black racing stripes. Very aggressive. You're also going to get the front steel bumpers with some LED light bars. You got them tucked over here on the side beneath the headlights and then running right across the front grille. You're going to get the LED headlights and taillights, gloss black wheels, which are 18 inches. Then you got 37-inch BFG KM3 tires. Plenty of tread life left. You got Fox shocks, BDS suspension components. Got another Shelby badge along the driver's fender. Open up this driver's door. Kind of take a look on the inside. You're also going to get these AMP power steps. Now this one does come with the carbon fiber interior package. So you're going to get carbon fiber everywhere along the inside of this vehicle. Got the Carroll Shelby badge right above the 8-inch touchscreen display. Got these black leather seats with the Shelby stitched on the seat as well. Then the red stitching just follows along everywhere inside this vehicle. These seats are also heated and ventilated. You're going to get the dual pane panoramic sunroof. You got the tow package. It's also got upgraded B&O sound system. I believe it's like a 10 or a 14 speaker sound system. You're going to get the steel chase bar with a huge LED light bar on the top. We'll work our way around to the back, and you also got a rear steel bumper with a tow hitch. You're also going to get the power lift gate, and you get 2 spare tires that are mounted in the bed of the vehicle. I mean, overall, this thing is very, very clean. 55,000 miles as it sits. I believe it's also a Lariat edition. So you get all the bells and whistles, tons of aftermarket upgrades, very, very low miles. I mean, other than that, this thing is rocking. This thing is a sweet looking truck. No blemishes on the paint. I mean, it looks like glass. That's the best thing about black paint. It sucks when you clean it because it gets dirty instantly, but when it is clean, I mean, it just reflects everything and looks great. But yeah, we'll do one more little walk around, you guys, and go for a little test drive. See how this thing sounds, how it drives. If it was me, honestly, this is just my personal opinion, I think this truck would look good with some 40-inch tires. I feel like it almost looks like it skipped leg day a little bit with the 37s, but I think that's just how it came from the factory. And I believe even these tires are, from the original build date. I mean, that's how low miles this vehicle has. Interior is immaculate. I mean, there is no rips, tears, stains whatsoever on the inside. And I mean, this is a super rocking little truck, you guys. I mean, if you're in the market for something to just stand out while you're on the road, if you're looking for a diesel truck, you need something for work, you want to look good and represent your company, I mean, this is a great option. Plenty of power and torque with that 6.7 liter Power Stroke. Ready to pull a boat, pull a trailer, pull heavy equipment. Whatever you might need this thing to do, it has it all. So let's go ahead and stop here, and we'll go ahead and go for a little POV test drive, you guys. All right, we're back inside of the Ford F-250 Shelby Super Baja. Go for a little drive along, kind of check out how this vehicle rides, and say right now it's a good probably 19 degrees in Louisville, Kentucky today. So got the heat on and got the heated seats going, and they feel great. Just let a little sun in. I went ahead and opened up the panoramic sunroof. go ahead and put it in drive and go for a little ride along, you guys. Kind of get the first impressions of what it's like to drive this lifted Shelby F-250. As of now, I'm kind of in our front yard at our dealership here at Cross Jeep, and got some bumps and ruts. It handles it very, very well. We'll kind of get on the throttle a little bit and see what the power feels like. Got some traffic, so we'll kind of wait up a minute. But I mean, overall, I mean, the interior is a 10 out of 10. I love the carbon fiber, you know, accents that go all the way around. The seats are very, very comfortable. You know, sometimes, you know, I'm pretty young, but sometimes my back, I'll get in some of these vehicles and I don't know what it is. The seats are just uncomfortable. You know, they're pushing on my lower back and just doesn't feel right. These seats are, I mean, I didn't have to make any adjustments whatsoever. Very comfortable. Got the 8-inch touchscreen display with navigation. I'll go ahead and turn on the radio and let you have a kind of a feel of what the sound system's like. A very, very nice sound system. Cut that off, see if we can hear that power stroke, whistle a little bit. But I mean, overall, you got the Fox shocks. They do a really, really great job of kind of absorbing a lot of the bumps and stuff on the road. I mean, you don't feel anything. It's very smooth. And along with that, you got the 37-inch like mud terrain tires. I mean, you don't hear them whatsoever. The sound dampening inside the cabin is very nice. I mean, other than that, I mean, this is a really, really nice truck. I mean, I would love to own one of these one day. That's why I'm